Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen, and today I am going to take you through just a quick little journey of my brand new traeger, well, new to me traeger. I am so excited to share with you just the few months that I've had a chance to do some cooks on this. Alright, so what's the toughest part of using a traeger smoker? So spoiler alert, in my opinion, a smoker is a lot easier than a lot of other cooking methods. Personally, new to it, I was intimidated. I thought you're gonna have to learn all these things about smoking and pellets and temperatures and different ways of doing meats. And yes, I'm still finessing, but so far 2.5 months of cooking, and I find this a lot easier than grilling. So far, I've attempted cooks with chicken drums that turned out perfect, some ribs, I've done armadillo eggs, and most recently, a whole bunch of other stuff while I'm on vacation, just playing with it and enjoying it and really loving all of the results. Really, why I think it's so easy is because you turn it on, you set your temperature, you put your favorite pellets in, you put your meat in there or whatever you're cooking up, close it, and then walk away for a really long time, several hours. So one of the hard things for me, being someone that has a stirring obsession and always needs to be looking at what's cooking, is the patience of not opening it. That is definitely one of the hard parts for me. And if I was going to tell you the other difficult part, which isn't that difficult, but I think it's maintenance and cleaning. I have been told definitely that you want to keep your smoker nice and clean. Vacuum it out, making sure that you clean off your grills and the drip tray in there as well. I think if that's the toughest part of cooking, that is pretty easy. If you are thinking about getting a smoker and getting into this sort of cooking during the summer or even the winter, I'm sure you can use this. I really highly recommend it. Do not be intimidated. It is so easy and the results are amazing. So far, I have enjoyed everything that's come off of this smoker. Check out my channel, The Silly Kitchen, subscribe, because I will follow up with several different videos of actual cooks, exactly what I'm doing, the temperature I'm setting, and the final results, which I gotta tell you, so far have been delicious. Stay tuned, and thank you so much for coming by to The Silly Kitchen.